Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue our discussion with the management of horses. So, let's get started. In the last video, we have discussed about the 5 basic color of the horses. So now we will continue our discussion with the color and markings of the horses, especially concerned with the variations to the coat colors. Simply, in addition to the 5 basic colors of the horses, there are 5 major variations in these coat colors, and these are dun, grey, palomino, pinto, and the roan one. So first of all, let's discuss about the dun horse. So it is the horse whose dominant hair coat is somewhat shade of yellow. A dun horse may vary from a pale yellow to the dirty canvas color, with the mane, tail, skin and the hooves grading from white to the black. So, the first variation in the hair coat of the horse is the dun color, and the horse exhibiting the qualities of the dun horse, having the hair somewhat shade of the yellow. And one of the important distinguished feature of these horses are that their mane, tail, skin and the hoofs will be from white to the black in color, but not close to the yellow. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you about the stripe. So simply it is a long narrow band differing in color or the texture from the surface on either side of it. So it is basically differ from the whole surface in the terms of the color and the texture. So here in the case of the dun horses, they have a stripe that is running down their back. There are special colors of the dun horses ranging from the cream, the lightest one, through the palomino color to the duns with the black points. Basically, these are the color variation found in the dun hair coat of the horses, ranging from the lightest of the cream color to the palomino one, which is having a black points over the body. Now the coyote dun is one of the horse with a black point over the body and having a black line, whereas a zebra dun is one with the black points and a zebra stripes on the leg and the withers. And talking about the red sun, it is a type of a dun of reddish orange cast, often with a red stripe down his back and a red mane and the tail. So these are the variation found in the dun hair coat of the horse. So simply a coyote dun having a black points with the black lines, a zebra dun having a zebra stripes on the leg and the withers, a red sun have a red stripe down his back and the red mane and the tail. So these are the characteristic features of the different coat help us to distinguish between the different hair coats. Now, as here you can see, this is simply the basic dun variation in the hair coat of the horse, and its distinguished feature is that they have the black mane with the black tail and the hoofs. Now, the another color variation in the hair coat of the horse is the grey one. So, simply the real grey color horses are often mistaken with white one, as many people even call an old grey horse an albino or the white one, especially if it having a light skin, light hoofs and one or more white eyes. Basically, it is quite common mistake made by us while distinguishing a grey horse with the white horse, because many of the grey horses have light skin, hoofs and one or more white eyes in the old ages. And the confusion arises between distinguishing a grey horse with the white one is that because many of the horses that are born blue or almost black, more and more white color hairs come into his coat until by the age of the 8 and the 10 this horse will almost appear white and make us to believe that this is a white horse. Young grey horses are often known as the roan horses. Simply, a roan horse is any horse whose coat carries the white color intermingled with one or more base colors like black, brown, etc. As here you can see, this is the grey horse, and here the two colors are intermingled. Those are the black and the white one, and this make it difficult to distinguish with the white color horses. Now talking about the another color coat variation is the Palomino one. Simply, a Palomino horse has a body which is a golden color varying from the bright copper to the light yellow with a white mane and the tail still in his coat. So one of the distinguished features of the Palomino hair coat is that the horse exhibiting a Palomino coat will never have a black points on his body, and it will have a white mane as of. Moving on, a Pinto horse is a spotted horse that has more than one color in his coat in a large irregular patches or the spots. The small non-white spot up to the size of a coin embossed on a color other than the white doesn't necessarily indicate a Pinto horse hair coat. For example, many chestnut horses have small black spots on their rumps. So let me make it clear that a Pinto horse have one or more color in his coat in the irregular patches. This is the basic difference between a Pinto horse and the other hair horse coats. But as here we are talking about the different color patches found in the body of the Pinto horse, so there are many possibilities other than this. Is that there may be some non-white spots on the color coat of the horse which doesn't indicate that it is a Pinto horse coat. So for example, many chestnut horses have small black spots on their rumps, and this make it quite difficult to distinguish it with the Pinto horse coat. So as here you can see, this is the Pinto horse. Here it have intermingled with the two base color, that is white and the black, and these two base colors are present in the large spots or the patches, which is the basic and the prime characteristic feature of the Pinto horse. Now talking about the another horse hair coat is the roan one. So basically a roan horse is any horse whose coat carries white hair intermingled with one or more base colors. Talking about the roan horses, in many of the cases they are born and die about the same color. So simply it is the horse whose coat carries a white color hairs mixed with the another base color like brown or the black. And the most prime feature to distinguish between the light and the dark roan, it just depend on the proportions of the white hairs in comparison to the colored one. Is that if the white hairs are more, then it is the light roan, and if the color hairs are more on the hair coat, then it is considered as the dark roan horse. Many roan horses are simply the combination of the bay horse, chestnut or the black one with the white hair intermingled with. And the variation in the color combination with the white hairs is not uniform. Some patches on the body might be darker than the others. Here you can see this is the roan horse, and here the white color is intermingled with the black one or the brown patches. Along with this, there is variation in the coloration as some patches are darker than the other one. So simply these characteristics help us to distinguish it with the other hair coat available in the horse breed. So that's all for the different 5 major variations in the color coat available in the horses, and we will continue our discussion with the management of horses in the upcoming video. I hope you like it, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.